Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. I just want to remind everyone. In this set, all questions need solutions. Prepare your papers, ball pen or pencil as well as your calculator allowed by the PRC. One question can only be answered within 1 minute and 30 seconds, or 90 seconds. The solution will be revealed at the end of each question. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Get ready, masters. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's start.
Question number 1. If quantity, for minus I square root of 3, is a root of a quadratic equation having real coefficients, then the equation is blank. Letter A, x raised to 2 minus 8x minus 13 equals 0. Letter B, x raised to 2 minus 8x plus 19 equals 0. Letter C, x raised to 2 minus 8x plus 13 equals 0. Letter D, x raised to 2 minus 8x minus 19 equals 0. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, x raised to 2 minus 8x plus 19 equals 0. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 2. A circular piece of cardboard with a diameter of 1 meter will be made into a conical hat 40 centimeters high by cutting a sector off and joining the edges to form a cone. Determine the angle subtended by the sector removed. Letter A, 144 degrees, letter B, 148 degrees, letter C, 152 degrees, letter D, 154 degrees. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter A, 144 degrees. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 3. If 1/3 and -3/2 are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the equation is blank. Letter A, 6 squared x plus 7x minus 3 equals 0. Letter B, 6 squared x minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Letter C, 6 squared x minus 7x minus 1 equals 0. Letter D, 6 squared x plus 7x plus 1 equals 0. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter A, 6 squared x plus 7x minus 3 equals 0. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 4. The volume of the frustum of a regular triangular pyramid is 135 cubic meters. The lower base is an equilateral triangle with an edge of 9 meters. The upper base is 8 meters above the lower base. What is the upper base edge in meters? Letter A, 2, letter B, 3, letter C, 4, letter D, 5. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter B, 3, just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 5, of what quadrant is theta, if secant theta is positive and cosecant theta is negative? Letter A, quadrant 1, letter B, quadrant 2, letter C, quadrant 3, letter D, quadrant 4. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, quadrant 4. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 6. If an equilateral triangle is circumscribed about a circle of radius 10 centimeters, determine the side of the triangle. Letter A, 36.44 centimeters. Letter B, 64.12 centimeters. Letter C, 34.64 centimeters. Letter D, 32.10 centimeters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 34.64 centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 7. Find the equation of the line through point 3, 1, and is perpendicular to the line x plus 5y plus 5 equals 0. Letter A, 5x minus 2y equals 14. Letter B, 5x minus y equals 14. Letter C, 2x minus 5y equals 14. Letter D, 2x plus 5y equals 14. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 5x minus y equals 14. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 8. Determine the center coordinate of the circle, squared x at squared y minus 6y equals 0. Letter A, 0, negative 3. Letter B, 0, 3. Letter C, 3, 3. Letter D, 3, negative 3. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 0, 3. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 9. The center of a circle is at 1, 1, and 1 point on its circumference is -1, -3. Find the other end of the diameter through -1, -3, letter A, 2, 4, letter B, 3, 5, letter C, 3, 6, letter D, 1, 3. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 3, 5. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 10. Rationalize the following. For plus 3i all over 2 minus I. Where I is an imaginary number, letter A, 1 plus 2i, letter B, 11 plus 10i, all over 5, letter C, 5 plus 2i, all over 5, letter D, 2 plus 2i. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 1 plus 2i. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 11. If one roof of the quadratic equation, 3 squared x plus px plus 4 equals 0, is 2/3, then find the other root of the equation, letter A, 5, letter B, 3, letter C, 4, letter D, 2. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 2. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 12. Find the value of x in the series of numbers shown. X plus 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus up to plus 15x equals 128. Letter A, 8. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 2. Letter D, 6. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 2. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 13. At present, the sum of the parents' ages is twice the sum of the children's ages. 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages was 4 times the sum of the children's ages. 15 years hence, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. How many children are there? Letter A, 3. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 5. Letter D, 6. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 5. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 14. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator of a certain fraction, the value of the fraction becomes 3/5. If 1 is subtracted from the denominator of the same fraction, it becomes 2/3. Find the original fraction. Letter A, 35 over 55. Letter B, 36 over 55. Letter C, 3 over 7. Letter D, 32 over 41. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 36 over 55. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 15. If 1/3 of the air in a tank is removed by each stroke of an air pump, what fractional part of the total air is removed in 6 strokes? Letter A, 0.7122, letter B, 0.6122, letter C, 0.9122, letter D, 0.8122. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 0.9122. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 16. A coin is tossed 3 times. What is the probability of getting 3 tails up? Letter A, 1 over 8, letter B, 1 over 16, letter C, 1 over 4, letter D, 7 over 8. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 1 over 8. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 17. A certain angle has a supplement 5 times its complement. What is the angle? Letter A, 67.5 degrees, letter B, 58.5 degrees, letter C, 30 degrees, letter D, 27 degrees. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter A, 67.5 degrees. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 18. The distance between the centers of the three circles which are mutually tangent to each other externally are 10, 12, and 14 units. Determine the area of the largest circle, letter A, 72 pi, letter B, 23 pi, letter C, 64 pi, letter D, 16 pi. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter C, 64 pi. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 19. If the sides of a parallelogram and an included angle are 6 degrees, 10 degrees, and 100 degrees, respectively, determine the length of the shorter diagonal. Letter A, 10.63, letter B, 10.37, letter C, 10.73, letter D, 10.23. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter C, 10.73. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 20. A conical vessel has a height of 24 centimeters and a base diameter of 12 centimeters. It holds water to a depth of 18 centimeters above its vertex. Determine the volume in cubic centimeters of its content. Letter A, 188.40, letter B, 298.40, letter C, 412.70, letter D, 381.70. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter D, 381.70. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 21. The sine of a certain angle is 0.6. Calculate the cotangent of the angle. Letter A, 4/3. Letter B, 5/4. Letter C, 4/5. Letter D, 3/4. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter A, 4/3. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 22. Determine beat such that 3x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0 is perpendicular to 2x minus by plus 2 equals 0. Letter A, 5. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 2. Your timer starts now. The answer is, letter C, 3. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 23. A man left his home at past 3:00 p.m., as indicated in his wall clock. Between 2 to 3 hours after, he returned home and noticed the hands of the clock had interchanged. At what time did the man leave his home? Letter A, 3:21.45. Letter B, 3:46.10. Letter C, 3:31.47. Letter D, 3:36.50. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 31.47. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 24. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of drawing a king or a red card. Letter A, 0.5835. Letter B, 0.5385. Letter C, 0.3585. Letter D, 0.8535. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 0.5385. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 25. Calculate the specific gravity of 1 liter of petrol which weighs 7 newtons. Letter A, 0.987. Letter B, 0.512. Letter C, 0.804. Letter D, 0.714. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 0.714. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.